Hey, it's Martin here from Swedish Embedded. Ever wanted to get inside places where the sun don't shine? It has been made possible using revolutionary Lidar drone technology that avoids collisions and enables you to see in complete darkness, and not just in front of you, but all the way around you. Piloting drones used to be hard. It's now as easy as swiping your credit card. Not only does it scan, it also builds the map as you fly, making it possible to explore areas that have never been explored before. It has never been easier to fly around an underground coal mine or heavy metal mine or a secret nuclear facility as it is today. It's like a disco underground. With the big batteries you can fly all day and fly all your troubles away. Millions of little dots are being transmitted from the drone to the software on the computer. This map can be inspected for areas that have never been seen before. This is perfect for inspecting a mine that has recently collapsed, or a building, or a collapsed bridge. This technology is not only useful for underground missions, it is just as useful for missions on top of the ground. It is now actually possible to get the most out of drone technology without being a pilot. If you want one of these drones, click on the link below and get ready to change your mining business forever.